Did you know 87% of people who are referred to local businesses go online first to research information about the company before they call? With a constantly changing marketplace, review sites have quickly become a major player in driving new customers and repeat customers to your doorstep. Knowing what they're saying gives you a huge advantage in the success of your local business. Today's expert will help you build a strategy to earn your business a 5-star reputation.
HVAC contractors often ask us, how can they get more customers using social media platforms like Facebook? The problem is that it's difficult and time-consuming for HVAC contractors to leverage social media to get more customers. Most HVAC contractors are busy and don't have an extra 2 to 3 hours a day to manage their social media accounts effectively. And then, most contractors don't know where to start. They specialize in HVAC technical work. This can be very frustrating, especially if you want to get more customers and grow your business. To be really effective, contractors need to be more engaging, and the good news is that it does not have to be difficult if you have the right strategy. Right now, there are hundreds of thousands of customers looking for HVAC services every day. The key or secret marketing strategy is to focus on the right kind of content to syndicate. HVAC contractors must have the best reputation, get as much attention as possible, and gain more customers. Setting up a website and social media platforms is relatively easy, but HVAC specialists find out pretty quickly that gaining customers is the biggest challenge. To be really effective, your company should be posting often. For our HVAC clients, we post at least 1 to 2 times per day with valuable content. This shows your potential customers that you are the market leader. So how does an HVAC specialist leverage the power of online marketing? We like to give a specific insider tip. Tip number 1. Reputation is crucial. Customers want to know they're in good hands, and these days they really research online to find out what type of reputation your business has. 79% of people go online to get information about a company before they decide if they will call or not. Tip number 2. Make sure you are always having engaging content on social media and keep people excited about your newest services and specials. Remind them of all the services offered and let them know about any promotions you're offering. This is crucial. Tip number 3. Reliability and flexibility. Contractors must reinforce how flexible and reliable they are. Customers want to know that they have an HVAC specialist that is available when needed and that they can be trusted. Our company specializes in social media marketing for HVAC contractors, and we focus on helping HVAC businesses get more clients. For those that want to learn more, they can go to www.519marketing.com, or they can call us at 410-994-2704. We also are holding a free HVAC marketing webinar at hvac.519analytics.com. Be sure to sign up. We are happy to help because the HVAC market is shifting, and it's important for contractors to stay ahead of their competition.
Fascinating, isn't it? As you see, there's huge potential with the right approach to your online marketing strategy. Customers are looking for you every day. Your business just needs to get found. So regardless the size of your local business, using strategies like this one will help you grow your local business very quickly. Are you ready to start getting more customers? All of the contact information you need for today's expert is on your screen. Thanks for watching.